Alright guys and girls, we're going to do a quick update on the greenhouse. Got some new equipment here. Trying to make for some better videos, but we're going to get inside here and talk about just a little bit. This is some sample footage that I want to work on. But here we are inside the greenhouse. Some of you have already seen this, some of you have not. I'll show you what we've done here. This is a 100% custom greenhouse. I've bent my own pipes myself with a pipe bender that I got from the Bootstrap Farmer, and it worked really well. Plastic is from Bootstrap Farmer. The end walls I built myself. The piping, it's just chain link fence. This pipe right here is chain link top rail, and the ones going into the ground down here are the line posts. You can see it. I got tape around it there. That is line posts. So that's all you need. That and a decent pipe bender. And you can see I put a center support 4x4. This is a 4x4 by 10 feet long. It's concreted 2 feet into the ground. And the end walls themselves, they're all concreted into the ground to the sides of the frame. Right there, they are 2 feet into the ground. Those are treated, just treated 2x4s. You can see. I've got some LED lights up here. These things are really bright, which, you know, I had to wire my own electrical in. These are 8-footers, 3 of them. They're 7,200 lumens each, and they work really well. Really bright. Really lights this place up. But anyway, pretty simple to build. Anybody can build it. It just takes a little bit of work. A little bit of work, and you can get this done. Oh yeah, and you can see we're putting our Scoville scale up. Because if you don't know, we're growing the world's hottest peppers. From mild all the way up to the hot stuff. And here's some of our peppers real quick. I'll show you what we got going on. We got some Carolina Reapers. We got a 7-pot Primo, 7-pot Dahlia. And this tray right here is just random stuff. Tomato plants and well, you guys can see it. Some more Carolina Reapers. And this tray here, it doesn't have a whole lot in it. It's Moruga Scorpion. For some reason, they didn't do all that well. I only got like 4 out of that. And I also didn't get any of the Butch Teas, which if you see right here, I tried to start some more. And so far, nothing. Maybe it's just some bad seeds, who knows. More 7-pot Dahlia, more 7-pot Primo. So yeah, guys, it's been a lot of work in progress. Everything has came together. You can see we still got some other random plants, and we got this guy here. If anybody don't know what that is rhubarb. Good stuff. Had it when I was a child, and I wanted one, so I figured I'd try to grow one inside the greenhouse. My woman, she got some of her plants in here. Yeah, guys, it's an easy project. The tables were super simple, as you see. Concrete blocks and landscape timber. Pretty easy. But like I said, this is just sample footage for the woman, so we can see what it looks like and how hard it's going to be to get video off this camera, because I'm trying to upgrade my gear. I want to show you guys this. See here. You see how I got this door together? That bolt right there. And there's another one down here. What happened is I didn't have anything on this door. Nothing at all. Come out here one morning after the wind blowed, and it was ripped apart. See, I got some brackets there. I got another one there. And I got them on all the corners. The wind was so bad that it bent those brackets that I originally had there and pulled the wood screws out of the door. Absolutely insane. Got a nice little chill spot. Sit you guys down here for a second. Yeah, I'm using a DJI Osmo, by the way. And I don't know which mode is correct yet. We just changed modes. And look, got paracord here. I need to do something better with these lights. That's just temporary connections. My electrical that I put in. Shade cloth is on. It works. It got really like super hot in here, so there we go. It's gonna take some getting used to. So yeah, basically now all I'm trying to do now is just test out sound and stuff like that. But it works. Just trying to get used to the camera and the movements and all that good jazz. Cat grass. Hear the rain. But anyways, guys, I figured I just wanted to show you this real quick. Get some video and throw up and try to edit. Well, like I said, just some test footage. Looks pretty good. Anyways, I'm going to try to put this phone in my pocket and try to keep everything dry. And go figure out how to get, how to get footage off this camera. Who knows, maybe it's possible, maybe it's not. Maybe it won't sound very good inside this housing. No idea. But you can clearly hear the rain, so. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. That was just some upgrade equipment video. I wanted to give you a better update on the greenhouse. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll try to answer them the best that I possibly can. And stay tuned, because we're going to get into our Carolina Reaper grows. We're going to grow all the other peppers. We're going to grow all kinds of stuff now. We're going to make a whole grow series. But then again, thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed the footage. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. See ya.